በተደጋጋሚ ኣብ ገዛ ንገብሮም ተግባራት ብእንግሊሽ ንምግላጽ እንታይ ኢና ንጥቀም? ስለዚ ለማዓንቲ ነዚ ኢና ክንርኢ ብተወሳኺ እውን ናትና ፋሚሊ ንምዃን ሳብስክራይብ ግበሩ ቅልል ዝበለ እውን ብላይክ ብምግባር ጀምርዋ ሰናይ ጻንሒት ይኹነሉ
ዳዊት ድራር እንዳበለዐ ኣብ ገዛ ንቶማስ ክጽበየ ከሎ
ሃይ ዳዊት ሰላም ዳዊት ሃይ ቴክ አ ሲት ፕሊዝ ሰላም ኮፈል በጃኻ Thank you ይቀነለይ join me for a meal ንቀደም ንምግቢ Thank you I have eaten a heavy dinner before 1 hour and I'm feeling sluggish ይቀነለይ ቅድሚ ሓደ ሰዓት ክብድ ዝበለ ድራር በሊዐ ነይረ ከምኡውን ነብሰይ ክብድ ኢሉኒ ኣሎ You should eat a light dinner to help with your health ቅልል ዝበለ ድራር ኢኻ ክትበልዕ ዘለካ ንጥዕናኻ I haven't ever seen it. What kind of is it? رأيي فلتني እንታይ ዓይነት ምግቢ እዚ If you want I can show you how to cook it እንተደሊኻ ክምህረካ ክእለ Thank you You always back me up ይቀነለይ ኩሉ ግዜ ስለትድግፈኒ It's nothing ችግር የብሉን I have to sleep now Sweet dreams ሕጂ ክድቅስ ኣለኒ ጽቡቕ ለይቲ Thanks Hope you have a peaceful night ሰላም ለይቲ ንዓኻ ይቀነለይ
ዳዊትን ቶማስን ካብ ድቃሶም ምስ ታንስኡ
Good morning Thomas ከመይ ሓዲርካ ቶማስ Good morning ዳዊት ከመይ ሓዲርካ ዳዊት Would you like to try some coffee? ቡን ክሰቲ ምደለኻ? That sounds great. We coffee please. Oh, ጽቡቕ ሓሳብ እዩ. ቀጠን ዝበለት ቡን please. Do you want sugar in your coffee? አቡንካ ሽኮር ዶ ምደለኻ? Yeah, I drink coffee with sugar. ዋ ቡን ብሽኮር እየ ዝሰትያ. Okay, help yourself to some biscuit. ብሽኮት በልሕዝ Wow, it smells watering. Wow, ብጣዕሚ ጥዑም እዩ Here is your coffee. ቡንካ ንህልካ You forgot the coffee spoon. ናይ ቡን ማንካ ረሲዕኻ I'll bring it to you. ከምጻልካየ So, can you show me how to make last night's meal? أنا احتمال مشيت أسرار حمك بدكتور إني Hey man, I was just fooling you. يعشوك يا تانيرا You don't say. I تبلنني خا By the way, it was an ordered food. بنقرنا استعزز مقبي نيرو I'm leaving home to go to work. ናብ ስራሕ ይኸይድ ኣለኹ Wait for me. I will also go to work. ጽንሓኒ ኣነ እውን ናብ ስራሕ ክኸይድ እየ Are you ready now? ድልው ዲኻ ሕጂ Yeah, let's go. እወ ንኺድ Oh man, you sure are and your jacket is inside out. ጫማኻ ይተኣስረን ከምኡን ጃኬትካ ገልቢጥካ ኣለኻ Oh, let me get changed. Oh, كغيره. Be fast. It is raining. Okay. As to me, it is better to take a taxi. Taxi توصلني حيش مثلني. It is a good idea. Let me call for a taxi. ጽቡቕ ሓሳቢ. ታክሲ ክጽዋዕ. Is that the taxi? እታ ታክሲ ድያ? I think it's coming. Comes مثلا تمثاله. Let's get in. نتو. Take me to Whitey Company and take him to Plus Care Hospital. نعينا Whitey درجة سدني نعوخا نا Plus Care حكمنا صدو. This is my workplace. إذن يسرح بوتاي. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day at work. ብሩህ ናይ ስራ መዓልቲ ይኹነልካ። The same to you. ንዓኻውን ከምኡ ብተመሳሳሊ and say hello to your brother. ንሓውኻውን ሰላም በለለይ። I will. ክብለልከ እንግሊዘኛ ዝርርብ ኣብ መንጎት ዳዊትን ቶማስን ዝነበረ ኣብዚ ተዛዚሙሎ። ነዚ ኣብ ቪድዮ እንተፈቲኹማ ከምኡውን ዩቲዩብ ናብ ከምዚ ዓይነት ተኸታተልቲ ሰባት ፑሽ ንክገብሮ ላይክ ምግባር ኣይትሕመቑ። ብተወሳኺን ሳብስክራይብ ብምግባር ናትና ፋሚሊ ጆይን ክትገብሩ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም። ብኻልእ ትሕዝቶም መደብን ስጋዕ ንራኸብ። ኣብዚ ዘለኹሞ ሰላማት ንዓኺ ንዓኻ ንዓኹም ንዓኻትክን ይብዛሕ ኣብ ኩልኹም።